So make sure you have the latest version of the Exness app, and then launch the app and sign in. So I've already signed into my own account. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on this plus icon and then tap on continue. I'll choose this standard account, so I'll just have to tap on continue, and then I'll choose MT5. Choose MT5. This is because it has all the advanced features. Look at it, advanced and flexible. If you choose MT4, as you can see, it says not supported in the Exness terminal. So if you choose MT4, I don't think you can sign it in the MT5 app. So this one is for Exness. If you want to be trading inside the Exness app, that's why you will choose this one. So, but in this video, I'll be choosing this MT5 because I can use it in the Exness app. I can still use it in the MT5 app, whichever way I want. So I'll tap on this arrow now. I'll tap on it. So in the next page, this is where we now change it to your desired account, either real or demo. So, but in this video, I'll be creating a demo account. So I'll just tap on demo, and then I'll now tap on currency. Look at the currency here. If I tap on this, here I will see all the currencies that are available. So I'll now scroll down and look for Nigerian Naira. Look at it. I'll select it. As you can see, it's NGN. So this leverage, you can still change it later. So, but just leave it where it is. If you want, you can reduce it a little, but just leave it where it is. Unless you know what you are doing, then you can now change to whichever one you want. And not all the features are available to you, so just leave it where it is. And then you can give the demo account a nickname. It's still optional, so I'll leave it. I don't want to give it a name, so I'll just tap on continue now. When I tap on continue, the next page, I'll be asked to create a trading password. So this is the password that I will now use to log in into the MT5 app. This is a trading password. When I finish entering this password now, and I tap on continue or create account, they will give me the login ID and server. So now I will now use this password to sign in to the MT5 app, so which I will still show you in this video. So while creating the password, you have to pay attention to the details. As you can see, look at the requirements. So I'll enter the password now, and then we'll continue. So I've entered the trading password. So now tap on create account. When I tap on this, in the next page, as you can see, account is ready. Waiting for it to load. So this is the account. Standard MT5 demo. Look at it. So now there's no money in it. So I'll just have to tap on deposit. So here is where I will now set the amount that I want to be in the account. So this is very okay because they allow you to set the amount you want, unlike some other brokers. So let me say I have because $10 is equivalent to, I think, let me just say 1.5. I know it's below, but let me just say 1,000, 15,000. That is for $10. So, and then I'll tap on continue. So when I tap on continue, you can see status accepted, transaction amount 15,000. So I now have to go back. So this is where you now see that I now have 15,000 in the demo account. So with this 15,000 now, I can now use it to trade as if it's real money, because when you have huge amounts, it will be difficult for you to, you might trade without emotions. But when you use this to practice, I think it will help. It usually helps. So, and when losing or making profit, you'll be confident with what you have. You'll not be greedy. It helps reduce greed. So that's how this thing helps. So this is $10. As you can see, it's 15,000, but if it's in USD, it will only show 10. So now for me to see the MT5 login details, I have to tap on these details. Then tap on these details and then tap on settings. So here is where I will now see my login. Look at the login ID. If you tap here, to be copied, and then this is the server, Exness MT5 trial 9. This is the server. So this is where I can change the password, the trading password that I created. So you just copy this and then this, or just copy them while logging in. So here is where you can change your leverage. So the spread, you cannot change the spread. And then this is the nickname, you can as well still change it, but all those things are not necessary. So I've copied these login details, and I'll memorize that my Exness server is Exness MT5 trial 9. So what I'll do now is to go back. So before we go to the MT5 and login, can as well trade with the MT5 terminal. So let me tap on trade. So inside trade, I'll just choose the currency pair that I want to trade on. So let me choose this one, GBP USD. As you can see, this is it. So I've not analyzed any trade yet, so I'll just place a random trade. So I'll now tap on buy. So when I tap on buy, I'll be asked to set my lot size. Look at it. Can reduce the lot size here. So but the minimum is 0.1. So let me tap on this plus again. So this is my lot size. As you can see, while this one is take profit and stop loss. So but I will not be entering the stop loss and take profit now. So I'll just tap on confirm buy. So as you can see, order has been placed, and you can see the amount here. So now let me head over to the MT5. This is my MT5, so I'll tap on it. Make sure you have the latest version. So I'll tap on this plus icon, and I'll have to search for Exness, find broker. So let me search for Exness. So look at it. Exness. So all these are Exness. This one is Exness VG, Exness SC. So let's look for Exness, one that has only Exness. Let's choose this one, Exness Technologies Limited. Look at this one. This one does not have any SV or BV like this one did. So let's just choose this one. So when you choose this one now, this is now, then we can now look for the trial account. As you can see, I think look at it, Exness MT5 trial 9. So that is how to find your broker. So I'll now select this, and then I'll enter the login which I copied. So I'll just tap on paste. So when I tap on paste, I will now have to enter the trading password that I created. So once I enter the trading password, let me enter the trading password and then proceed. And then I'll tap on login. So before you log in, make sure to check this save password so that you will not be asked to sign in anytime you launch your MT5 app. So I'll tap on login. So as you can see, it's connecting. It's connecting. And that is it. So this is the account. As you can see, it's demo account. So the same process will also work for real account. So let me tap on it. Okay, I just have to head over to trade. So inside trade, as you can see, that active trade is now in profit. It's now in profit of 634 Naira, as you can see. So this is it. So this is the trade. So I did not analyze this trade, so I just entered, but the trade is now in profit. So if you check on trade here, you will see this amount here is Naira. As you can see here, it's showing NGN. So that is how to trade Forex with Naira.
Now, if you don't have an Exness account, the link to register is under this video description and in the pinned comment. So if you register through my link and make a deposit, you'll be given up to $10 registration or deposit bonus. And I also made a video on how to add take profit and how to set stop loss in your active trade in Exness. So watch any of these videos. I've explained the simple step-by-step guide that you need to follow on how to add take profit or how to set stop loss in your active trade in Exness. So watch any of these videos and I will see you in any of these videos.